Hey guys, it's Evan out here on the pasture. We are feeding the birds right now, and we're gonna move the tractor here in a second, so stay tuned. Cool, so that's it. It's about a 2-minute process, and you can see the total difference in how the grass has been totally mowed down by the chickens in just a day. So this is where they just were after about 24 hours. It's totally mowed down, all the grass that was here, and then we'll step inside onto the fresh grass. And you can see how it's night and day. All the fresh green material, all these weeds and grasses and all that good stuff. These guys just get to have a total field day in here for the next 24 hours. Restake. That keeps the boards from getting pulled out by any predators that might have. We've got this electric fence right here, turned off right now, obviously. I would not be touching it. So the other cool thing now too is how the grass grows back so quickly after it gets mowed down by the chickens in just a few short days. So look, like this is where we were the past 24 hours, right? Totally mowed down. And then if we take a little walk to where we've been over the course of the past week, here you see the grass starting to grow back a little bit, still pretty mowed down. And you keep going, it gets a little bit greener. Grass is starting to pop up a little bit more, a little bit stronger. Until you get to here, this is where we were about a week ago. The grass is darker, greener, more lush. It's filling in really nicely. Until we get to where we were about a week and a half or so ago, and it's just totally filled in. So it really doesn't take long at all for the grass to grow back, and this is where the tractor started here. Well under a month ago. The grass has grown back greener, stronger, more lush. See the grass over here where the tractor wasn't. It's a little lighter, got that kind of yellowish tint to it compared to this dark green. So that's what it's all about out here. Trying to create healthier soils, healthier animals, healthier people, just one chicken tractor at a time.